491. Visa Victoria, full step-by-step guide. Welcome back to the channel, Aussie Travel Visas. In today's video, I am going to explain the 491 visa in Victoria with full clarity. Step-by-step eligibility requirements, skilled employment rules, how to submit a strong ROI, required documents, common rejection reasons. What is the 491 visa? The 491 visa is a skilled regional provisional visa that allows you to live, work, and study in regional Australia for 5 years. After 3 years of living and earning in regional Australia, you become eligible to apply for permanent residency under the 191 visa. Step 1. Occupation check. Victoria does not have a separate occupation list. If your occupation is on the National Skilled Occupation List, you are eligible. Step 2. Skills assessment. You must have a positive skills assessment in your nominated occupation. Step 3. Points required. Minimum points required. 65. Realistic invitation ranges. ICT, engineering, 70-85 points. Regional workers, pathway, 65 to 75 points. Step 4. Skilled employment in regional Victoria. To be eligible, you must be. Your job does not need to match your nominated occupation. There is no minimum hour requirement. Example. Working at Carbon Revolution in Geelong still qualifies even if your nominated occupation is different. Step 5. ROI, registration of interest. ROI decides if you will be invited. Your ROI must clearly include employer details, location of the business, your job role and responsibilities, your earnings, why you want to continue living in regional Victoria week ROI, Pasi Kach, no invitation. Do not copy ROI templates from forums. Step 6. Nomination application. If invited, submit payslips, bank statements, contract, employer reference letter, skills assessment, passport and ID documents. Step 7. Visa application. Submit through IMI account. Common rejection. Reasons. Employer has only a virtual office. Bank deposits and payslips do not match. ROI copied from online templates. Job is not skill level 1, 2, or 3. Fake edited documents, pro tip. If you work in Geelong, Armstrong Creek, Avalon, Ballarat, Bendigo, etc., you are in a strong position. Outrow. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow for clear and real migration guidance.